Hi everybody, it is Dustin with the Toy Hoarder, and it is day 8 of our Star Wars holiday calendar. It's Lego set 75279. Day 8 is going to be right over here. Let's find out what we've got. Day is, oh, it's an X-Wing. Alright, let's give this a whirl. Alright, so we'll start with our nose. We're going to take these two white pieces right here. Those are going to snap together. And then we're going to take this gray angle piece, go right over the front. So our nose is going to come to a point, just like that. Next, we're going to take this red block and just like this. And our windscreen is going to go right on top of it like so. And we're going to slip this guy right here in just like so. And then we're going to put this little white dot right here for our R2 unit right on top. Now we're going to take this guy here and we're going to build on it at this angle. So the first thing we're going to do, here we go. Got our piece. We're going to have 4 of these, and they are going to go like so on each of the sides, stacked. So 2 on each side. Need to make sure that they're turned sideways, not up and down for the opening. Then we'll reattach our back end like so, and we should be looking like this. Now on the bottom, we're going to take this flat piece right here, and it is going to go on just like so to cover up that hole. Now when you put these in, you need to make sure that you put them in a way that they're going to be able to open and close, because they are the foils for the wings, so they do open and close. Alright, there we go. Now these little guys are actually going to go right in on them, on the tips, to kind of snugly hold them in place so they don't fall out. So this is what you'll be looking at. Then we'll take our lightsaber hilts, that these prongs on the sides are pointing outwards, and put them on. Alright folks, and there we have it, our own personal miniature X-Wing to fight the TIE Dagger that we built the other night. I hope you had fun watching. Until next time, have fun playing. Bye.